Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Toothless. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. At the top, let's draw a long curve across. Then from the ends, let's bring it down and in, meeting at a point in the center. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start with two curves up and out for the tops of the eyes. Then from the bottom, let's curve it out and back up. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a curve down and back up from the top. Now inside, let's add a circle on the right. And color the rest of the pupils in black. Now top underneath, and let's draw two curves up for the nostrils. Now underneath, let's draw two wavy lines up for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to add some spikes on the head. In the center, let's draw a small curve with a V-shaped point up. And let's add 3 more on top in the same way. Now let's move to the sides, and we're going to draw a few ovals on the left and the same thing on the right side. Next, we're going to hop on top of the head, and let's draw 2 curves up and curve it back down on the outside. Now for the ears, we're going to hop out, and we're going to draw a larger curve up on both sides. And then from the top, let's curve it back down. And then add some small ovals inside. Now let's hop down to the sides of the head, and we're going to draw a curve out and bring it in underneath. And let's add a smaller one underneath in the same way. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start with 2 curves down and out. And then let's curve it down for the sides of the legs. Now let's hop in, and let's draw 2 more lines down, like this. Now at the ends of each of the legs, let's add the nails. Let's start with a curve down from the inside, and curve it down and back up. Now for the next nail, let's draw a curve over with a V-shaped point underneath. Now let's add another one next to it in the same way. And then one more to close off the bottom of each foot. Now in between the legs in the center, let's draw a curve across. And that's it for the front legs. Now let's move to the sides, and we're going to draw the back ones by curving it out and back in. And then add 2 V-shaped points underneath for the toenails. Now inside each of the legs, we're going to draw some small ovals. And the same on the back legs. And that's it for the main part of the body. Next, we're going to add the tail on the left side. Let's start on the left next to the leg, and let's draw a long curve out and bring it back in. Now from the end, let's draw a curve on top and the same underneath. Then let's bring it out. And then let's bring it back in with a bumpy line like this. And that's it for the tail. Lastly, we're going to hop back up and draw the wings. Let's start next to the neck and let's draw a curve out on both sides. Now let's curve it all the way up, bring it in next to the ears. Then from the top, let's draw a curve up and out, and then curve it all the way down. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve up and in. Then let's add 2 more, going up and in. And then 1 more curve back into the body. Now let's hop inside and let's add a border at the top. Let's draw a curve out near the neck here. Then let's curve it up to the top. And then curve it back down to the sides. Now underneath, let's add 3 curved lines down on both sides. And that's it for Toothless. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!